first step, we are learning here building design. We are providing facility services for the buildings like HVAC, plumbing, firefighting, electrical. So first thing, what we should know is height. When we talk about a building and when we tell the building is high rise, so what is the meaning of a tall building? What classifies a building, whether it is tall or short or medium? So it's the height. I want all of you to note down these things, not only in your paper, but also in your mind, because this will be your first interview question. Because there are few codes which are specifically specified for high rise or tall buildings. So we should know when that particular code will be applicable. So NBC stands for National Building Code. NBC is a National Building Code. So any building that comes up in India would follow NBC code. And according to NBC code, if the height of building is more than 15 meter, then we call it as tall building. And as you know, this is a online class and offline also. So those who can come and attend offline, they can come and sit in our Retiboli office, they can attend. And those who are attending online, yes, you are free to unmute, you are free to ask any questions what you have. And you okay, then with this, we'll close for now. Inshallah, tomorrow we'll continue from.